Hello, welcome to my All Job Updates YouTube channel. This is Nutan Kumar and I hope you're doing great. For today's video, I come up with one more recruitment from NSCO, that is National Seeds Corporation Limited. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more daily updates. So without any delay, let's get started. NSCL Recruitment 2020 for the post of Assistant Management Trainee, Senior Trainee and others. Okay, now let's move on to the educational qualification part. So for the post of Assistant Legal Grade 1, professional degree in law from a recognized university and should have 1 year experience of handling legal matters in a reputed organizations. The knowledge of computer shall be desirable, not mandatory. For the post of management trainee production, candidates should have BSc Agriculture plus MBA. I mean MBA in Agriculture Business Management or MSc Agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seeds technology, plant breeding, any other. And the cutoff will be 60% of marks and knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory for this. Now next one is management trainee, horticulture, BSc horticulture plus MBA. Okay, with specialization in horticulture from a recognized university institution with minimum 60% of marks. Next one, next for the next position, management trainee marketing, BSc agriculture plus MBA. Full-time or 2 years full-time PG degree diploma in marketing, agriculture, business management or MSc in agriculture from a recognized university and should obtain the 60% of marks. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. Next, for the post of management trainee human resources HR post, candidates should have 2 years full-time PG degree, diploma in personal management or industrial relations, labor welfare, HR management, and should have minimum 60% of marks and should have knowledge of computer is mandatory. Management trainee agriculture engineering, BE Tech in agriculture engineering from a recognized university institute with a minimum of 60% of marks. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. For the next post, management trainee civil engineering, candidates should possess a BE Tech in civil engineering from a recognized university with 60% of marks. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. For the post of management trainee quality control, MSc in agriculture with specialization in agronomy seed technology, same as production. Okay, so management trainee materials, logistics MBA, materials management, logistics and supply chain management, supply chain management or a BSc agriculture with MBA or should have possess 60% of marks and knowledge of computer is mandatory for this post. Okay, so these are all management trainee posts. And one more is their certification and packing material CPM. For the post of CPM, candidates should possess MSc Agriculture or BE Tech in Agriculture Engineering or BSc in Agriculture Engineering or 2 years full-time PG degree diploma in packaging and should have minimum 60% of marks and knowledge of computer is mandatory. Knowledge or management training, materials management in agrochemicals. So candidates should possess MSc Agriculture with specialization in plant pathology, agriculture, entomology, and should have a minimum 60% of marks. A knowledge of computer is mandatory. For the next post, senior trainee agriculture, MSc Agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology, plant breeding, genetics with minimum 55% of marks and knowledge of computer is mandatory. For the post of plant protection, MS Agriculture with specialization in plant pathology or agriculture entomology. For the senior trainee horticulture, MSc horticulture, MS Agriculture with specialization in horticulture from a recognized university should have minimum 50% of marks and with computer knowledge. For the senior trainee marketing, BS Agriculture plus MBA marketing or full-time or 2 years full-time PG degree diploma in marketing or agriculture business management and should have minimum 55% of marks and knowledge of computer is mandatory. For the senior trainee human resource, MBA HR requires full-time postgraduate degree, diploma in industrial relations, should have 55% of marks with computer knowledge. Senior trainee logistics, MBA materials management logistics or supply chain management or BS agriculture, MBA agriculture should have 50% of marks and with computer knowledge. These are all senior trainee posts. Okay. Next is one more senior trainee post, quality control, MS agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology, plant breeding, genetics. Same thing as above. And senior trainee accounts, MCOM, MBA finance with minimum 55% of marks with computer knowledge. Diploma trainee agriculture and engineering, 3 years diploma in agriculture, engineering, mechanical engineering with minimum 55% of marks from a government recognized polytechnic or institution. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. Diploma trainee electrical engineering, 3 years diploma in electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering with minimum 55% of marks from a government recognized polytechnic institution. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. And next course is trainee agriculture, BS in agriculture with 60% of marks and knowledge of computer is mandatory. And next trainee marketing, BS agriculture with minimum 60% of marks, knowledge of computer is mandatory. Trainee human resource, graduate with minimum 60% of marks from a recognized university with knowledge of MS Office and computer typing with speed of 30 words per minute in English. So on the Hindi typing is desirable, not mandatory. Okay. So trainee agriculture stores, base agriculture with 60% marks and knowledge of computer is necessary. Trainee purchase, base agriculture with minimum 60% of marks from recognized university with computer knowledge is mandatory. Next, these all are the posts for ITI. There are various posts of the diesel mechanic, electrician, machine man, welder, electrician, processing operator, blacksmith. So we just go through this once. Next for trainee stores engineering, 3 years diploma in agriculture engineering, mechanical engineering with minimum 55% of marks. ITO certificate in fit or diesel. Coming to vacancy details, there are total 220 vacancies are there. For the assistant grade 1 post, 3 vacancies, trainee mate 3 posts, trainee 112 posts, diploma trainee 7 posts are there, senior trainee 59 posts are there, management trainee 36 posts are there. Totally 220. Age limit and application fee. So for the post of assistant legal grade 1 not exceeding 30 years, for the management of trainee not exceeding 27 years, diploma trainee and senior trainee not exceeding 27 years, for the post of trainee not exceeding 27 years, for the post of trainee mate that is agriculture not exceeding 25 years. For these posts, both office work as well as field work. For this post, only field work. Schedule and there will be some age relaxation for the reserve candidates. For scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, 5 years age relaxation will be given for OBC non-creamy layer. not creamy layer, non-creamy layer. 3 years age relaxation will be given for the ex-service and for these guys. 5 years, and for PWD persons with disability will be given 10 years age relaxation. And application fee for general OBC non-creamy layer, creamy layer, EWS 500 plus intimation charges. For SST and persons with disability, no fee. Now let's move to the selection process. There will be 3-stage selection process for the management trainee written examination, then interview based on the merit of written examination, and then final document verification. And taking into together written examination and interview marks, the candidate will be finally shortlisted for selection. Okay. For the post of assistant grade 1, senior trainee, diploma trainee, trainee mate, for this all only written examination, and there will be skill test for these trainee stenographer and HR only. Other than these candidates, they have only written examination and document verification. That is final, no interview for these posts. Okay, the candidate will be called for interview based on his score in the written examination after taking into account the number of posts and zone of consideration, and the weightage of written examination will be 70% and interview 30% for final selection at least. For these post management posts, so there will be weightage for written examination and also interview 70 and 30%. An important date, starting date to apply online for 14/7/2020. It's original last date to apply online 31 August 2020. And examination will be informed later. Notification and application form are available in description. Check it out. So if you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you all.